Hi, my name is Wilmsmeier and I'd like to talk to you today about UHF RFID supported access or entrance control application. Yeah, I guess you have seen this already before, or you're using it already in your everyday life, and you have directly in mind an application where you could see the antenna, far field antenna, which is covering a couple of meters, maybe directly embedded in a reader, so you have a all-in-one device. When a car is coming close to this device, the barriers open up. I'd like to show you today a slightly different solution for this kind of application, based on my favorite antenna, the LOCFILED antenna, as you might know already. This antenna is designed and manufactured by the German company KW Identification, and it is designing or it is generating a localized field around the cable itself. I've installed such an antenna in the pole, which you could see here next to me, and it is generating just a localized field. So the car has to get pretty close to this pole. I would say a reading distance in reality is about 1 to 1.5 meter for this kind of application. So I have equipped my car. As you could see, I'm driving a Swedish brand, so the transponder is already designed in by the manufacturer himself. Otherwise, you need to equip your car maybe somewhere in the bumper area with an extra transponder, of course invisible and as well very robust. As soon as the car is getting close to the pole, the barriers open up. The reader is of course installed somewhere in a cabinet and just connected to the antenna which is inside the pole. So as you could see, antenna and reader is totally invisible. And this, I guess, is a major feature, of course from design perspective, but as well from vandalism perspective, and last but not least, as well security, because what you don't see, you can't attack. In addition, you are making sure that you're not accidentally reading cars which are getting close to the overall area because of the main road which is close to the installation, and as well cars passing by which have access to this area. What else you have in mind? What other applications you see there? As always, I'm interested in your ideas. Please feel free to get in touch with me on social media, here on YouTube, or send me an email.